Today, we will explore how ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, can be a valuable tool in software testing and automation. Here, there are 5 key ways ChatGPT can enhance your testing process. First, generating test cases. ChatGPT can help you generate comprehensive test cases for your software. By providing it with a description of your application's functionality, ChatGPT can suggest various test scenarios, including edges cases you might not have considered. This ensures that your software is thoroughly tested for a wide range of conditions, improving its reliability and robustness. Automating test script writing. Writing test scripts can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT can assist by generating code snippet based on your requirement. For example, you can describe the functionality you want to test, and ChatGPT can provide you with the corresponding test script in the language like Python, JavaScript, or Java. This can significantly speed up the test automation process and reduce manual effort. Debugging and troubleshooting. ChatGPT can be a helpful companion when you encounter issues during testing. By explaining the problem you are facing, ChatGPT can offer suggestions for troubleshooting and debugging. It can help identifying potential causes of errors and provide solutions, saving your time and effort in diagnosing and fixing issues. Creating test data. Generating realistic test data is crucial for effective testing. ChatGPT can help you create test data that mimics real-world scenario. Whether you need user information, transaction details, or other types of data, ChatGPT can generate examples that you can use in your tests. This ensures that your tests are close to real-world conditions as possible. Documentation and reporting. Clear and detailed documentation is essential in software testing. ChatGPT can assist in creating and maintaining test documentation, summarize test results, or write detailed description of test cases and procedures. This ensures that your documentation is thorough and easy to understand, making it easier to communicate findings with your team. ChatGPT can be a powerful ally in software testing and automation. From generating test cases and script assisting with debugging, creating test data, and maintaining documentation, ChatGPT can help streamline your testing process and improve efficiency. By leveraging this advanced AI tool, you can ensure that your software is thoroughly tested and of highest quality.